up, guys? I am Ghost, as you all know, and today I will be doing an unboxing video on Lucky Chests. You can see I have 31 coins, and I'm hoping that I may be able to get something good. So let's just get the first one. 3 gems, got it. Okay, what's this? A hat? Sniper mask. Let's go see what that is. So this increases the chance of ignoring a headshot once you're holding a weapon from sniper category. I think I'm gonna stay with my anonymous hat. I'm trying to save up for the berserker, but I'm gonna keep on my anonymous one. So let's open up the next one. Okay, some coins. 3 coins. Nice, not that bad. Okay, what's next? Some more gems. 3 gems. So that means I can open up one more. I'm gonna add one. I already got the Christmas back. Oh, free spin. Why would they put a spin when you spin? I don't know, that's weird. Ooh, the king hat. Ooh, I was saving up for that. The king crown. I'm gonna go equip that. I'm not gonna equip. Man, I really want the Golden Friend. People say it's good, but I don't believe them. But I'm just gonna get it to test out. So let's go get the other chest. Some more gems, I see. 3 gems again. So we got some coins. Okay. Sorry, I had a brain fart right there. Okay, more gems. I can open another one. Coins again. Keep on getting coins and gems. It's weird. So I can open up a couple more. The normal pack, the classic skin pack, the big pack. Next one. 2 free spins. Dang. So now I have 3 spins left. Sorry if you hear something in the background. That's my line. 3 coins. Another one. Dang it, oh my gosh, what are these free spins? Don't need it. I really don't need it right now. Last one. Everybody cross your fingers. Pass them on right now. Now I'm gonna put my phone down. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That was cool. But that was my unboxing video. I didn't really get anything good, but besides the king crown. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.